Ahoy, shipmates! It's another land-based activity today, shipmates. We're off to try and find under crop circle in Lyme, Regis. Poor old captain here, bit of an old sea dog. He's not very good with land-based activities, but he's desperately looking at the old paper chart there. I think they call it a map on land. We did eventually find the beautiful Lyme Regis on the English Riviera here. But we're not here for ice creams, kiss me quick hats and amusement arcades. We're here for a new crop circle. Well, I hope you enjoyed that one, shipmates. I'm off to find myself a Terry's chocolate orange. Till next time.